How are you? Fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is about Middle East. And this is lecture series about strategically important topics of international relations, political science, global strategic studies, global affairs, and general knowledge of the world. Lectures can be helpful for study of A and O levels, undergraduate, graduate, bachelor's, BS, and masters in world universities, and also competitive examinations of the world. Please subscribe and share with the students. Thanks. This is Middle East, which is also called Arabian Peninsula, or it's called Southwest Asia. This is Arabian Peninsula, and this is Southwest Asia, also called Middle East. Now let me show you. This is main country, Saudi Arabia, which is the largest country in Saudi Peninsula. This is Oman. This is Yemen. This is Iraq, this is Syria, this is Lebanon, this is Jordan, this is Israel, and let me show you, this is Iran, this is Afghanistan, this is Pakistan, and this is African continent. And Arabian Peninsula is separated from Africa by Red Sea. There is Persian Gulf, which separates Iran and Arabian Peninsula, and this is Arabian Sea, which is part of Indian Ocean. And this is Gulf of Aden. This is Somalia. It's also called Horn of Africa. Let me go to you, show you countries of the Arabian Peninsula. Arabian Peninsula is also the largest peninsula of the world. Number 1, Oman, and its capital is Muscat, and its currency is Real. Number 2, Yemen, its capital is Sana'a, and its currency is Real. Number 3, Saudi Arabia, its capital is Riyadh, and its currency is Real. Number 4, UAE, or United Arab Emirates, Abu Dhabi, its capital is Abu Dhabi and its currency is dirham. Number 5, Qatar, and its capital is Doha, Qatari dinar or dinar. Number 6, Kuwait, Kuwait city, and its Kuwait dinar. Number 7, Bahrain, Al Manama, dinar, its currency is dinar. Number 8, Iraq, its capital is Baghdad and its currency is dinar. Number 9, Jordan. Jordan is capital is Amman and dinar is its currency. Number 10, Syria, and its capital is Damascus and its currency is pound. Lebanon. Lebanon's capital is Beirut and its currency is pound. Both Syria and Lebanon are neighbors, and their borders are with each other, and their currency is same. Number 12, Israel, Tel Aviv, and its currency is New Sheket, and its parliament is called Knesset, 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 and it has 6 administrative regions or provinces. And the regional organization of these Arab countries, Arab League, which was formed in Cairo, Egypt on 22nd March 1945, initially with 6 members, to promote cooperation in political, economic and social fields among the members and to protect their vital interests. Members, at present their members are 22, and its headquarters is Cairo, and its Secretary General is Ahmed Abul Gheit of Egypt since 2016. Headquarters is in Cairo, members 22, Membership of Egypt was suspended due to signing of Camp David Accord with Israel. Gulf Cooperation Council (GCC), energy-rich 6 nations: Bahrain, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, and Saudi Arabia. Secretary General is Abdul Rahman Al Attiyah. Established central bank to pave the way for launch of common GCC currency. Arab Cooperation Council (ACC) established on 6th February 1889 at Baghdad. Members are 4. And its headquarters is in Jordan. Wish you good luck. See you in next lecture.